please.
मैं आपको दिखाने लगा हूं, जिसे देखकर आपका दिल भी झूम उठेगा। बहुत ही लाजवाब और शानदार मुकाबला और नज़ारा शायकीन क्रिकेटर ने यहां पर देखा। पाकिस्तान और वेस्ट इंडीज़ के माबैन ऐसे मैच हुआ करते थे।
Gone for four. Now it was flashing hard and it flew past this
inside, and he's got a boundary.
Got in the end.
These
That's played fine. Good shot from Yunus Khan. May just beat the fielder. No, it doesn't. Front foot. That fielder was just removed from the slip cordon, and he has got a boundary straight.
he gets 4 runs for his team. Abdul Razak.
Some glaze on it.
And that is what Inzamam was looking for. He was counting for the number of overs being bowled by the medium fast.
bowling at similar patterns in the innings were crucial then, but it doesn't seem as though Samuels can muster the same accuracy and intensity at the moment.
This shows that Inzamam.
Samuels can. Ran and the veil is gone, LBW. Takes a catch. His 5th catch. Almost a replica of the one that he put down in the Bradshaw over.
Away from victory. Great inning. And what a way to finish.
Well, Pakistan finally getting there to that target with Inzamam ul Haq not out 42, a batsman who really plays his best under pressure, and Rao Iftikhar was with him when they achieved that winning target. West Indian bowler.
दोस्तों, वेस्ट इंडीज़ और पाकिस्तान के माबैन इस मैच में शायकीन क्रिकेटर काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंजॉय करते नज़र आए, और इस मैच में पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम ने वेस्ट इंडीज़ के ख़िलाफ़ शानदार फतह हासिल की, जिनकी वीडियो आजकल भी सोशल मीडिया पर वायरल हो रही है, और पाकिस्तानी शायकीन क्रिकेटर इन मैचों को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं।